Hi everyone, this is Ara Derdarian of the HT Guys, and if you found us from YouTube, we put together a podcast, my partner and I, Braden Russell, and we talk about home theater, home automation. It's available at htguys.com, and if you're already a listener to the podcast, thank you so much for coming and checking out this video. You are also aware, if you are a listener to the podcast, that I purchased these products to put together a DIY bass shaker system for the home. And what this is comprised of is two Dayton audio bass shakers. They're pretty hefty in size. We're going to mount these under the underside of the couch in the family room. We've got a wireless transmitter and receiver for the subwoofer. That's going to come out of the one of the outputs of the subwoofer on my receiver, and we're going to wire them into this receiver, also from Dayton Audio. So what we're going to do, these are 8 ohm bass shakers, so we don't have to do any kind of special wiring in this setup. That's one of the reasons why I got it. We're just going to go from the left channel, right channel directly to the bass shakers. And what I'd like to do is get this thing all hooked up. I'm going to dry fit it here on my countertop here before I go and flip the couch over and get it installed. I wanted to make sure everything is working and it's operating as I had hoped. So what I'll do is I'll put everything together and then we'll come back and put it through its paces. Okay, so everything is hooked up, and what I've got is the wireless transmitter or receiver. It's SVS, it's a subwoofer receiver. It is going to a splitter that's going to send a mono signal to 2 channels on my amplifier, and those are going each to the transducers. They're each 8 ohms, and what's nice about the amplifier setup, I don't have to do any special like parallel or series wiring. I just connect the left channel to one and the right channel to the other, and we're good to go. I'm going to flip these over to kind of enhance the vibration so you can see it, because you are not going to be able to feel it from where you're sitting, but you should be able to see it when it's upside down like this. I've got a part of the video all set up. It's got a lot of vibration. So that, obviously, it's just free form. If it was connected to the frame of your couch, that's supposed to take all that vibration that you saw there and run it through the couch. I will create another video that includes the installation into the couch, and maybe I can talk some of my family into watching a movie and giving us their feedback, how it feels. Get maybe the look on their face the first time they feel it, because I think it's something that's pretty cool. So we appreciate you watching. You can support the show at Patreon. It's patreon.com/HDTV podcast. Your support is greatly appreciated. Any amount you can donate really helps the show. You can also go to our website, htguys.com. We've got a tip jar there, so if you don't want to do recurring, you just want to send us a one-time donation, we'll accept that as well. And feedback, you can send us an email at htguys@htguys.com. Feedback is always appreciated. We thank you so much for watching and supporting the show.